Hi everyone! I want to show you the update to this swipe. I am so pleased with it. It is so cool. I love the colors too. I've been doing so many really bright pieces that it's kind of nice to do a more neutral. Check out like these cells. Real happy with it. Such a unique size canvas. I like it as well. 6 by 12. I've only seen it in one place. Well, I'm painting over this piece today. This was the one that was the mallet smash on the dry background. It's just too bright. It's crazy. I thought about keeping it and cutting it up for my projects, but there's so much wasted white space. Like, had the brightness been everywhere, I would have cut it up and used it that way. But it would have been cutting up a canvas for very little space. So I just mixed up a new batch of white paint. I used this ARTEZA Flow acrylic, which I really like. This bottle's $10 and it goes pretty far. And the rest in there, I used up the rest of my mixture that had a little bit of pouring medium in it. So there's a smidge of pouring medium in this big container, but not enough to mess anything up, I don't think. So there's some pouring medium and Floetrol and water. And what is this? And a clot of something. Probably Floetrol or dried paint. One of the two. And it looks like I got the consistency pretty good on my first try. Oh, I did add more Floetrol and water. I think I forgot to finish that conversation with you. It's a little thicker than usual. I'm going to be doing a hair dryer pour. Hopefully there is enough paint on here for that. So it is, you'll be watching this about a week from now, but for me, it's Monday and Hanukkah starts on Sunday in a week, and I bought my first present today, so I'm a little behind on that. So I don't know if any of you that celebrate any gift-giving holidays coming up, if you guys are prepared or not, but I sure am not. My husband's birthday is on the 23rd, so he always gets screwed because he just gets one gift. It's his birthday, Hanukkah, Christmas gift. Poor guy. But I did make him an ugly Hanukkah sweater. If you go, you can see part of it on my Facebook page, my personal, just Ann Osborne. It is ugly. I did not get the back like centered, so my menorah is way wonky to one side. But he said he wanted an ugly shirt, so ugly Hanukkah shirt, so that is what he now has. Alright. I'm just going to add a little bit more. Ooh, it's peeling. Probably not necessary, but huge fan of how that turned out. I like this side and I like this side. I don't like that. So we're going to use dark blue to save the day, like it often does. Whoa, I didn't even realize I was dripping on the other side. I keep dripping. I like these cells, but I am going to tilt off to that side. So they will be going away, some of them. And I'm doing that because I like the other side better. And it needs to be tilted, so. Sometimes you just gotta pick. Pick what you want to leave. I didn't even notice this like green coming out over here. I like that. I like it. Blue saves the day so much, I can't even tell you. The light torch. Mainly because I did not torch that white before I started. Did I? I don't think I did. Get ya. Oh, we're gonna stop off and see something pretty on the way too. I resined these. Doesn't that look cool? I love it. Oh, it's hard to video resin because it's so shiny. I love that part. So there it is as a whole. Thank you so very much for watching. I really appreciate all your views and comments. So keep them coming, and if you have an idea you want me to try, I would love it. I love suggestions. So thanks again and have a wonderful day. Catch you next time. Bye.